Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how we can see the Discord servers we have left. So let's get started on how we can see it. The first step is opening up the Discord app. And if you don't have it, make sure to download it from App Store or Google Play. And step 2 is checking your server list. So here you can directly check all of the servers that you are currently a part of on the left side of the screen. So if you're looking for the servers you have left, there's no specific list to view them directly, but there are a few ways you can check. So in order to do that, you can check direct messages or conversation where it invites might be. For example, this one right here at the upper right corner, upper left corner, you may just go ahead and tap and look through your direct messages for any kind of old invites. So if someone sent you an invite link, you can just tap on it to rejoin the server. So the next thing is we can go ahead and check our chats. Like if you remember the name, you can just try searching for it on the search bar or in your DMs or any server related chats where you might have talked about it, and you can just tap on the search bar at the top and type in the server name and you can rejoin it. So another thing is to rejoin any server you have left, you need to invite a new link. So if someone you know is still in the server, you can ask them to send you an invite and you can directly join the link and join the server in Discord. Another thing is, unfortunately, Discord doesn't give you a direct list of servers you've left on the mobile device, but however, you can manage your servers or see the ones you're currently in. So you just need to tap on your profile picture at the bottom right and hit to the user settings. Just tap on the gear icon at the top right and you may go to the data and privacy section, and to tweak the things like notification privacy, you may just go ahead and look out for that. And that's it. While there's no built-in feature to directly see the servers you've left on Discord mobile, these steps will help you rejoin or find old invites. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more Discord tips. And thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.